Hey everyone, how's it going today? Today I wanted to show you just kind of a tricky area if you're wanting to do not a modification but a touch-up. Now what I'm actually talking about here on the Maserati, you can see in here these pieces have lost their black shine to it. It was like this whenever I purchased it. I believe the previous owner lived in kind of a saltwater area in New Jersey, so the salt water came in and kind of turn those a different color. Now what I'm going to do is show how to take it out. There's 6 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever you're looking at the top, let me open it here. Whenever you're looking on this side, you can see down in here those openings. That's where they are. You can reach your hand and pop them right out. The issue that I ran into is on this side you have this bar here, so you're not able to get to them. You could try pulling them off from the outside, but I don't want to risk damaging the paint. So what I'm going to do is take off the wheel, take off this liner, see if I can reach up into there. Now in removing these, I'm just going to use my little pry tool. Pop this out. With these it looks as if you need to pull the center out and pop those out, and then this looks like it unscrews, and these two look like a little hex wrench goes in there. So I'm going to pop all that out. I don't see anything else up here, and this piece should come out. So as you open this up here, pull it back, it's actually pretty sturdy. You can see right up here you have access to all the vents. So I'm going to pop them all out now. Now my hands are pretty small. If you have larger hands you may have a more difficult time, but this is going to work for me here. So I'm looking at the top, you can see 1, 2, 3, then underneath 4, 5, and 6. Now it takes a little bit of wiggling, but if you can pop out one side you can kind of pull this out a little bit, or vice versa. If you pop these two out first and slide it this way, and it makes it a whole lot easier just to pull it out. Now I have all 3 taken out. It did take me about 20 minutes. It's kind of hard to get up to here, but what I used was just a really long flathead to just push up on the bottoms, and I also used a little hook here just to kind of hook inside the actual honeycomb portion and pull out. But besides that, it wasn't too bad of a job. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back now and then start working on these. Now that I have these separated, all I have to do is push this piece here and here, and from this tab this metal part will come out. That way I can paint just directly on here, put it back together, and put it back on the car. Now again, I'll show you right here in the sun. See how it's kind of that whitish tint on it? Once I paint it, you'll be able to see a big difference. While you have these pieces removed, it's also maybe a good idea, if you have it, to get some chrome polish cleaner and go ahead and polish these back up. Now the only step you have to do, simply just stick this metal piece back into here. So just kind of line it up. As you push, it'll pop back into place. Very easy. So here's what it looks like in the light. Whole lot better than it did. The only other step I have to do now is just pop it back in the vent. So now I have it all finished. Looks a whole lot better than it did. It's definitely worth it. It took about an hour and a half to do, just waiting on paint to dry, but it was a pretty easy job overall. So I hope this video helps out anyone who may be looking to do the same. Definitely is a whole lot cheaper than buying new ones, because I believe an individual piece itself is around $50. So it definitely saves you a lot of money in the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, happy driving and enjoy.